वेङ्कटाद्रिनाथं जगतन्मधीशं इदं स्वरूपं शरणैकनाथं श्रीनीलगोत्राधिपतिर्वरेण्यं सुरेन्द्रवन्द्यं प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यं नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्रसुभद्राभ्यां श्रीजगन्नाथाय ते नमः। अहे मणिमाय हरि बोल हरि बोल। हम सब ठाकुर जय बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल। ओम अस्य श्री ओम ब्रह्मांडनाथ श्री जगन्नाथ भवन श्री देवता ओम श्री वासुदेव स्वरूप बलभद्राय नमो नमः। मुखपुच्छलं जलं समर्पयामि। ओम नमो नारायणाय श्री जगन्नाथ स्वरूपाय नमो नमः। मुखपुच्छलं जलं समर्पयामि। श्री भुवनेश्वरी सुभद्राय नमो नमः। मुखपुच्छलं जलं समर्पयामि। नमस्करोमि। नमस्ते, जय जगन्नाथ। आज से भगवान जी के 15 दिन की सेवा गुप्त सेवा होते हैं। Right now, today to within 15 days, Lord Jagannath inside is Gupta Seva. That Seva anyone cannot be see. That reason this verse is front of Jagannath Swarup is Sri Narayan. Subhadra Swarup is Ma Bhuvaneshwari and Balabhadra Swarup is Sri Vasudeva. This ritual in our Puri tradition, this name is Patti Diya or Anasara Diya. This quarantine period name Anasara in Korea language. This Anasara time, like quarantine 15 days time, Lord Jagannath will be take puja in front of Narayan and Bhuvaneshwari and Sri Vasudeva Swarupa Balabhadra. If you are interested, if you want to, I will request, please come to our temple and make the darshan. And this darshan is very spiritual and very powerful. And this Patti Diya, like Anasara Diya, not made any machine painting. This is in handmade, and the back side that one is Pata Vastram. Pata Vastram, front of Pata Vastram is handmade everything. Lord Vishnu and Subhadra and Balabhadra. That is true. I think so. Everyone will be better understand. This time to morning time, here puja, and evening time. Inside, I will be offering medicine like Ayurvedic. Lord Jagannath will be take every day at evening time. This ritual going on with 15 days. After 15 days, Navakaleva will be starting. Sorry, Nava Jauvan will be starting. Nava Jauvan. Rath Yatra before 2 days. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.